What's going on?
Hey everyone, here's some examples I found online of different anime and their layouts. Now, if you notice at the bottom of these two first examples where it says book, book means it's part of the scenery, but it's the part that's in the foreground. Now, there's different ways to do layouts. Some layouts are more complex than others. If you're like a Hayao Miyazaki, you're probably doing very detailed layouts. That's just the way that he does them, or his directors do, for example. From Spirited Away. This director used two different layout sheets to show pan up. So there's different ways to do layouts, I guess you can say. Um, for instance, this layout seems to be an old anime. It's in a 4:3 frame, and they use colors to identify the shadow markup. Here's an example of perspective being used inside of a layout. Here's a simplified example of a layout. Here's a Miyazaki Studio Ghibli movie. I believe it's Ponyo. This is an unknown layout I found online. I used it, the base for this, for the layout intro. And since everything's going digital, more and more studios are using parallax backgrounds, which are 3D uh, 3D cameras using 2D elements. You can see the example of the software that they're using. It's probably Maya or 3D uh, 3ds Max to lay out the background, and this is a composited, I guess, image from that layout. Thanks.